Morning everyone. We all know that we are facing COVID-19. So there are certain guidelines for the COVID-19. The first one is wear mask properly. The second one is wash your hand with the help of soap and detergent for at least 2 seconds. And the main important thing is maintain the physical distancing and do not share the water bottle or eatable with anyone else. Now come to the topic. Now this is the topic is from the thermodynamics. This is the part 11 of the thermodynamics, and today's our topic is the entropy. So the word entropy means it is degree of randomness. Degree of randomness, or randomness is also called disorder. Randomness is also called disorder. So it is the measure of the degree of randomness or the disorder in an isolated system. Entropy is the degree of randomness or degree of disorder in the isolated system, and it is designated by capital S. This is the symbol to designate the entropy. Now let us take an example. You have two containers. And you have one molecule in both the container. Now there is lesser space in comparison to this one. For example, this is A and this one is B. This is container A and this is container B. So in container A, the space is lesser in comparison to the B. So if there is lesser space for this molecule to move, and there is a large space for this molecule to move. So where the large space is present means the randomness or disorder is more, and here the randomness or disorder is lesser in case A. So this is the meaning of the disorder. More space is there, so disorder is there. Randomness is there, and this is here the space is lesser, so randomness or disorder is lesser in case of the container A. So entropy is the degree of randomness or the degree of disorder, and it is designated by capital S. Now the greater the degree of disorder or randomness, so definitely higher will be the entropy. If randomness is greater, higher will be the entropy. If randomness is greater, higher will be the entropy, and if randomness is lower, then entropy will be definitely the entropy will be lesser or the lower in that case. So in case of the chemical reaction, it shows the rearrangement of the atom or ion from one pattern in the reaction to the another means we are talking about the product here. So if the structure of the product is more disorder as compared to reactant, entropy of the reaction increases, and if the structure of reactant is more disordered as compared to the product, it results in decreased entropy. So that is the basic reason behind the increase in the entropy as well as the decrease in the entropy. So entropy is a state function. Entropy is a state function. A state function means it depends only on the initial and the final state. Initial and final state. State function means the entropy depends upon the initial state and the final state of the system. So if we want to calculate the entropy change, so the entropy change, that is delta S, we know that the term delta is used for the change. So delta S is equal to S2 minus S1. Now here S2 is the final entropy and S1 is the initial entropy, or we can say that delta S product minus delta S reactant. So this is the S product minus S reactant, not delta S, only S, because delta show the change and change we have shown here. So delta S is equal to S product minus S reactant. Now some example in which the entropy either increases or decreases. Now let us take some example where the entropy is increases as well as the decreases. The first one is, for a given substance, the crystalline solid state is most order. Crystalline solid state is most order. Why the crystalline solid state is most order? We know that if we see the structure of the solid, this is the structure of the solid. There is a regular orderly arrangement. There is a regular orderly arrangement and there is a very less interparticle distance in between the atom. So for the crystalline solid state, crystalline solid state is most ordered and therefore its entropy is lower. Its entropy is lower. While if we are talking about the gaseous state, we know that in the gaseous state the atoms are far away from each other. This is the arrangement of atom. There is a very big gap in between the atom. So if very big gap between the atom, so there is in this for example this atom, let us take the example of this atom. So this is free to move here, 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 here in all the direction, and if it is moved to free, so it create more randomness or it create more disorder. So in case of the gaseous state, the disorder is higher. The disorder is higher, and if the disorder is higher, we know that entropy is the degree of randomness or the disorder. It means entropy is higher. Disorder is higher, it means entropy is higher. So that in case of the liquid state, for example, liquid state, we know that in comparison to the gaseous state, in liquid state there is a lesser gap in between the atom. The gap is lesser in between the atom. So the liquid state is the intermediate state between the solid and the gases, and the order of randomness is higher. In the liquid state, the order of randomness or the entropy is higher in comparison to the solid, but it is lesser in comparison to the gases. So that order is, first of all, its randomness is higher in comparison to the liquid, in comparison to the solid. So this is the order. This is the order. First of all gases, then liquid, then solid. Now the second example is the molecule with more atoms. The molecule with more atoms of a given type or with the greater number of chemical bond or the greater capacity to take up energy means their greater thermal disorder. So they have the greater enthalpy. For example, the enthalpy, S stand for the enthalpy. So enthalpy of the acetylene is lesser in comparison to the enthalpy of ethylene. It's lesser in comparison to the enthalpy of ethene. In comparison to the enthalpy of ethane. So higher entropy हायर एंट्रोपी किसकी होगी? द हायर एंट्रोपी इज ऑफ द नाउ द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज अ वेपोराइजेशन एंड द फ्यूजन result in increase of entropy. When vaporization takes place, the entropy is increase. There is increase in the entropy when the vaporization takes place. For example, if you have any solid and when this solid is converted into the gaseous form, you have a solid and it is converted into the that is the gaseous state. So when the solid is converted into the gaseous state, so we know that in case of the solid, the particles or the atom are closely attached to each other. This is the arrangement for the solid. So particles are tightly packed with each other, so there is no space in between, so the atom cannot move here and there. But in case of the gaseous state, we know that there is a very big interparticle distance in between the atom, and every atom is free to move in every direction. These are the direction. So every atom is free to move here and there in the different direction. So when the solid is converted into the vaporous state or the vapor state, it converted into the vapor state, so the entropy is increases. And why the entropy is increases? Because the randomness is increases, because the disorder is increases. Now the next very important example is that is the stretching of rubber band. Stretching of rubber band. So the stretching, when you stretch the rubber band, so the stretching of rubber band increase in entropy. If you stretch the rubber band, so the entropy is increases. If rubber band is stretched, the entropy is increases. While in case of the boiling of egg, the entropy is decreases. When you boil the egg, boiling of eggs, the entropy is decreases. Why the entropy decreases? Because inside the egg the liquid is present, means it is in the liquid state, and when you boils the egg, the protein which is present inside the egg, it coagulate and it is converted into a solid mass. So it is a liquid state, and after boiling it is converted into the solid state. So definitely the entropy of the liquid state is higher in comparison to the entropy of the solid state. So the entropy decreases. In this case, the boiling of the egg, the entropy decreases. So these are the examples of the entropy. I have already told you that entropy is the degree of randomness, or entropy is the degree of disorder. So when there is a more place, the disorder will be higher, and if the place is reduced, place I am talking in sense of the atoms or the intermolecular distance. I am talking in sense of a intermolecular or interparticular particle distance. So if the interparticle distance is higher, so definitely the entropy will be higher, and if the interparticle distance is lesser, so definitely the entropy will be lower. So this is all about the entropy. Now the next topic related to the entropy is entropy change in reversible process. Entropy change in reversible process. Now we know that what are reversible process? Which we can reverse. The meaning of the reversible process is which we can. Opposite of the reversible is irreversible. Means those reaction which we can't reverse. So first of all, the topic is entropy change. How much entropy is changed in case of the reversible process. So let us consider a isothermal reversible process. So in this process, let the system absorb Q amount of heat. Q is the heat. Q amount of heat, and the system absorb heat from where? It absorb heat from surrounding. It absorb heat from the surrounding, and T is the temperature. T is the temperature. So the increase in the entropy of the system will be, that is delta S. The change in the entropy or increase in the entropy is delta S is equal to plus Q upon T. And here we can write REV. REV stands for the reversible reaction. Now on the other hand, surrounding loses the same amount of heat at the same temperature. Same amount of heat at the same temperature. And if the surrounding loses the heat, it means the decrease in the entropy. So delta S surrounding. Delta S surrounding. This is for the system because it gains the heat. This is for the surrounding because surrounding loses its heat is equal to minus Q reversible upon T. So total change in entropy of a process. If we want to find the total change. So the total change we have to find, we know that system plus surrounding is equal to universe. So the total change is equal to entropy change in system plus entropy change in surrounding. Entropy change in system plus entropy change in surrounding. So delta S total is equal to delta S system plus delta S surrounding. So that is Q upon T minus Q upon T, and that is equals to 0. That is equals to 0. So when the reversible process, this is for the adiabatic, reversible process is adiabatic, so there will be no heat exchange between the system and the surrounding. There will be no heat exchange between the system and the surrounding. It means Q is equal to 0, delta S for the system will be 0, delta S will be 0. So delta S total. Now the total means system plus surrounding. Delta S, the meaning of the delta S total is equal to system and the surrounding. So that is delta S system plus delta S surrounding. And it will be, that is 0 plus 0, definitely it will be the 0.